Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification because I do a lot of budgeting. I do a lot of 52-week challenges every Tuesday. I do weekly check-ins to see where my money is going, and I also stuff my cash envelopes. And every other Saturday, my subscribers pick what kind of video they would like to see me film and upload for them. Alright, so today is essentially a sit-down video, and I don't do a lot of sit-down videos, but today I really wanted to film this video because it is very special to me, and we are unboxing 14 Amazon packages. Yes, I know you guys. We are a budgeting video. I know, we are a budgeting family, and we should not be buying all of this Amazon stuff, but I am part of a Facebook group called Blessing Women Daily. They are essentially the best people I have ever met since August of this year. There is 6,000+ people on this Facebook group. And I don't know all 6,000 people, but I know a pretty good bit. This group is for uplifting women. It's an all women group, and it's all about uplifting, giving advice, praying for them and everything, and being there for each other. Now, aside from all of that, we do play a lot of games, and one of the games is part of the reason why I am filming this. But I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has participated in the Blessing Women Daily. And I just wanted to make this video and thanking everybody who has sent me a gift or a package. Now, the reason why I got all of these is because we do play games, and one of the games is called the lottery game. Now, the lottery game is essentially the first 20 people who commented lottery in their Amazon wish list. So that is one of the key things to this Blessing Women Daily, is that they ask you to make a Amazon wish list, and we bless women daily. We either bless like people with kids, we bless students, we bless just random, if you are in a blessing mood, if God has called you to bless somebody or your heart is telling you to bless somebody, we do that. But anyways, we also have a lot of fun too. So the lottery game is the first 20 people who commented lottery in your Amazon wish list, then you get put into a number. So I was number 18, and I was not thinking about like winning or anything. I did not think I was going to win. I absolutely love playing the lottery on that group. I love participating in games because I love blessing people. I love looking through their Amazon gifts, and I love just buying stuff for them and them thanking me on that group and everything. It's just a really special thing, and I absolutely love it. But anyways, so they took the first 20 people, gave them numbers, and they put all the numbers into a random generator. And I was the lucky person to get it. So the 19 people who commented on that post that participated ended up blessing me. So I have 19 gifts, and I have 14. I'm pretty sure some of them are duplicates, or they are all in the same packages and everything, because I have 14 packages, and I really wanted to open them here. And I just wanted to thank everybody individually, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to see if the admins would let me upload this video to their Facebook or send them the link so they can watch me open these live, because I would absolutely love for them to see my reaction to everything. So we are going to start, and I wanted y'all to watch it too, and I just thought this was like really fun. If you don't like this kind of videos, I totally understand. Now, if you want to be part of the Facebook group, I can, if I'm allowed to, I will link their Facebook down below, and you will be more than accepting. So we are just going to start with the packages right here. So I got and I got to cover I think I'm pretty much showing my address, so I'm going to have to cover that too. All right, so first one, and these on my Amazon wish list, you can add anything you want. Like, it has to be in a reasonable budget. Usually mine is nothing over like $12 or so. And I have like snacks, I have beauty stuff, I have like stocking stuffers, I have a lot of stuff, pens, stuff for school, since I'm in nursing school and everything. So this is from Lexi Allen, so thank you, Lexi. And she got me, from my wish list, she got me Planters roasted pecans, which I absolutely love pecans, living in the South, of course. But thank you so much, Lexi. Next one is this package. I need to like cover my address, like, for real. Okay, so this one is from, I usually leave a note. So this is from Sarah Ford. So thank you, Sarah. And she got me the 66 snack pack of Ziploc. So I will definitely use this because I always bring fruit to work 4 days a week. So thank you so much to Sarah. And I'm going to have to keep the gift receipts so I can tag them in the Facebook post later. So next one is Melanie, sorry. Melanie got me some hair ties, which I'm always losing hair ties, you guys. It's really bad. Somebody blessed me with hair ties a couple of weeks ago, and I was so thankful. And I'm so thankful to have these ties because I think I lost already 4 of them in the last one that I got. So yeah, that's really, really sad. I know. But thank you, Melanie. All right, so next one, this is so much fun I've never done like, essentially like an unboxing like this. So this is from Mary, and she got me hair ties also. Oh my God, I am never going to lose hair ties. I'm always going to have hair ties. Even if I lose like 3 of them a day, I'm still going to have hair ties. I'm so excited, you guys. This is great. Oh my God. All right, so next one. Now this one actually feels like vinyl. Now I do have some vinyl on my wish list because I do have a small shop where I do vinyls and stuff and decals, which this is a vinyl, and this is from Brandy. So thank you, Brandy. Let me see what color it is. I don't know, and I hope my phone doesn't die. Oh, it's yellow. Yes, I've been wanting yellow. Yellow's like one of the primary colors that I really, really need, and I have one of them because we've been doing the Sanderson sisters, and we have been getting a lot of orders for Sanderson sisters. So I am extremely excited about that. Now, if you want the link to my Etsy shop, I will link that down below also. So next one is from, let's see who this is from. This is from Jennifer. So thank you, Jennifer. It's Jennifer Kettleson. And she got me a box of the Ziploc, which is the 66 count snacks. So awesome, you guys. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to use all of this. Everything that I have had so far. I have unboxed so far. Next one. Ooh, I'm really excited about this one. But it doesn't have a gift thing. I'm sorry. Whoever got this for me, it is the Chickpea Veggie chips. It is the off the beaten path. Now I have eaten the Puffs one. Absolutely love them, and they were so good. They're a little pricey at Target for like the bigger bag. So I saw these on Amazon and I really wanted to give it a try. We also have these in the cafeteria at my hospital, They're so expensive, you guys. They really are. I think they're like a little bit bigger than this. But thank you so much. I didn't see a note, but thank you to whoever got me that. Next one is, and this doesn't have a note either. Aww. But I got a third thing of hair ties. Thank you, you guys. Like, not even gonna lie, this is amazing. Seriously, I'm never gonna lose hair ties again. And there goes the address again. All right. Next one, we're gonna go do the boxes. So let's see what this has. Let's see. Ooh, let's see. Who is this from? Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine. And it is a bag of loofahs. So it is a 3-pack of loofahs, which you can never go wrong with too many loofahs. Look how big they are and fluffy. And I like smelling them. I really like the Target smell of them. But these, oh my gosh. So there is a gray one, a light green one, and a white one. So absolutely love these. Thank you, Jasmine. And I literally just bought one while I was on vacation because I needed one. Because I forgot mine. But super excited about that. Now I can change it whenever I want to. I can change it a new one next week if I wanted to. Alright, so next one. I'm trying to go fast so the video won't be too long. Alright, so next one, let's see. This is from Brandy. This is Brandy Lunsford. Hopefully I don't butcher y'all's last name. That's why I'm trying not to say people's last name. But she got me another pack of the sponges. I'm super excited. I am. I really am. Like, I'm pretty sure because my mom's here, so she's probably going to want one. And I don't mind sharing, you guys. I really don't. But thank you, Brandy. Alright, next one. This one's a little bit heavier. Now, where's my cutter? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this definitely I will use. And there's no note, but thank you to whoever got this for me. You cannot go wrong with Windex, you guys. I put this because I absolutely love Windex and Scrubby Bubbles. Those are like my favorite things in the entire world. But somebody gifted me a bottle of Windex, and I think these were only like almost $3 or so on the wish list, so I added one. But I love Windex, you guys. I really, really do. All right, next one, which this is heavy too. It's kind of like the same weight as the Windex. So who knows? It might be another Windex. And there's no note, but it's another Windex, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm like trying to throw all the boxes under my desk and then I'm going to pick it up later. But I got another Windex, so this is going to be great because I have a lot of windows in my house. Alright, so let's open this one. This one, I want to guess that this one's probably another sponge thing. That would be funny if it is. But I would still be grateful because they are great stocking stuffers, you guys. If you ever like do that, like great stocking stuffers or gifts for bride proposals and stuff, those are really good too. All right, oh, I'm just covering my face, right? All right, so this is from Betsy. So thank you, Betsy, and she got me a pack of sponges as well. These, oh my gosh, look, you guys, 1, 2. And 3. I have 3 packs of sponges. I am good till like next year. Like this this is amazing. I think that is all except for this package, which I wanted to wait for it because it's really pretty. It's really pretty and white. So I wanted to know, this is probably, let me feel it. I don't know, this is heavy. Well, not really heavy. It's, I have to find out what this is. Let's see. Let's see. It is it is another bottle of Windex. This is great. Oh my gosh. I am so thankful. There was no note again, but this is great. I have 3 bottles of Windex. I have 3 packs of the sponges. I have 2 Ziploc bags. I have some snacks. I have 3 of these ties. And then I have a vinyl, which this is, oh my God, I am so thankful, you guys. Now, this is, I think there's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, so there is 14 gifts, which are supposed to be 19, but I don't even care if the other ones get lost or anything. Like, I am so thankful for everything that I have received and everybody who I have shouted out. Thank you. I don't know if they're going to watch this video or at all, but I wanted to sit down, do an unboxing with you guys because I've technically never done an unboxing. So I wanted to talk about this amazing group that I am a part of, and I absolutely love this group so much. I'm so thankful that I found them, and I have really made a lot of good friends on there, and they're all truly great. But anyways, thank you to everybody who gifted me, and thank you to my subscribers for watching this. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like, and I will see you guys later. Don't know when this video is going to be up. I'm hoping, because I have a video going up on Saturday. I'm hoping maybe Sunday we can upload this, and then I can talk to the other, talk to the Facebook group and see if they would want to see this video. But anyways, thank you again to everybody who has blessed me, and I thank you guys, my YouTube channel, my YouTube family, for just always supporting me and everything. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend. Have a great Halloween and a upcoming November month. It's crazy that it's almost 2021. It's crazy, and I'm starting nursing school. I'm getting married. There's a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, I won't ramble too much longer because this video is already long enough. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.